Hello and welcome yet again to this channel. Today, the song that I'm translating is called Yambalasima. So, Yambalasima means the last time. So, what is it that Bholen is saying about the last time, Yambalasima? But before I even give you the translation, I need to tell you something about who this guy was, Bholen. Because he had plenty of success as an artist, although it is a pity that he left the music industry quite early. I wish he had stayed a little bit longer in matters music before he, one, retired from music, and two, passed on or passed away. So his name is the common name is Bholen, but his formal name was actually Leon Bombolo wa Lokole. Leon Bombolo wa Lokole, but we largely know him as Bholen. Now, Bholen, as is commonly known, was born on the 11th of July 1936 in Kinmalebo in Kinshasa. So he's therefore a 1936 born, like I said, on the 11th of July. Now, he was a guitarist, he was a songwriter, and as well a very good singer. So we must start by just saying that he learned his guitar skills, his guitar playing skills from the best of the best. One of them was Raymond Brainick, but much more importantly from Papa Noel Nedul. You know that Papa Noel Nedul is still around and has done the world of rumba such a big favor with the very many things that he's been able to do. So he was born in 1936, but began his proper career in 1957 with a band called Vedette Jazz Band. So that's where he began his musical career. Of course, in that band, he was with a man called Baguette. He was with the Lasso and Mujos. Then in 1959, he left Vedette Jazz Band and joined OK Jazz. So he was with OK Jazz from 1959 to around 1961. Well, of course, while in OK Jazz, he was a backup artist. And so you can also be sure that he really interacted with the very best of the best. And so, like I said, among the people that he was with in OK Jazz was Franco Luambo Makedi himself, Dihunga Jiskane, Albino Kalombo, and Bosuma Dezoin. And of course, we also can't forget about Mujos and Kwame that were also stalwarts in OK Jazz at that point in time. So he, of course, left OK Jazz and together with Vicky Longomba. Remember that Vicky Longomba was also a member of OK Jazz. So together with the Vicky Longomba, Brazos, Amando, and Jesken Dihunga, they formed Negro Succés Orchestra, and this, of course, was very short-lived at that point of 1961. So Bholen was on his own, and in 1963, just 2 years later, he joined a group that was called City 5, Sank 5, Sank City, and even this one did not last so much. And then, of course, in 1964, together with Franco Luambo Makedi's younger brother, Bavo Marie, M. Popo Deyes, Bijou, Rocky, Ambazozo, they tried to revive Negro Succés. And so, but of course, this again came to a stall after a short while because Bavo Marie died, and so this frustrated Negro Succés. But that does not mean that we didn't have some very serious songs that these guys had done. So in short, that is the short life of Bholen, that in 1973, out of the frustration, out of the loss of Bavo Marie, and of course the not so successful period of Negro Succés, he hanged his boots, and unfortunately we lost him in the year 2006. So you can imagine that he spent much of his adult life not doing music, and yet he had started also very, 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 very well. So that is the short story of Bombolo wa Lokole Leon, commonly called Bholen. So like I said, he was a very good songwriter. He came up with this song, the one that is playing in the background, mbala nsima. It's the last time. So can I now go straight to the lyrics and tell you what it is that he's saying in the song mbala nsima? I tokotuna se kotuna, we shall ask, just ask and ask and ask. Mobali nayo di alinginga. You know what? Your husband loves me. Let me take that again. Tokotuna se kotuna mobali nayo alinginga. You know, we shall ask all we want to ask. But you know what? It is your husband that loves me. Tokoyoka se koyoka. We shall hear and hear and hear. Mobali nayo di alingingai. My dear, your husband is the one that loves me. Your husband actually is in love with me. Tokotala sena miso. We shall just watch with our eyes. Alingi abo manzoto mpona nga mwana muke. You know, he even wants to kill himself because of me, such a young girl. Ngai na mimingambo. So I am bearing all the problems. I'm really facing it because of your man loving me. So na mimingambo means that I'm facing the problem. I'm the one now suffering the consequences of that. Tokotuna se kotuna mobile nayo di alingi senga. You know, we shall ask the questions that we need to ask, but you know, your husband loves me. Tokoyoka se koyoka mobile nayo di alinginga. You know, we shall hear all that is being said out there, but the truth is that your husband actually loves me. Tokotala sena miso kasi alingi abo manzoto mpona mwana mokelo kolanga. You know, we shall just watch with our eyes. But you know what? This man of yours is so much in love with me that he's even prepared to lose his own life for me. Ngai na mimingambo. So you know, I am therefore bearing the problem. I'm facing such a major problem, really. Yango libale komande ngambo. Oh, so this marriage has become problematic, really. Has become a big problem. Tokotuna seko tuna mobali na yodi alinginga. We shall ask all we want to ask, but your husband, he loves me. Tokoyoka sekoyoka mobali na yodi alinginga. You know, we shall hear everything that is being said. We shall hear all that we need to hear. But you know what? Your man, your husband loves me. Tokotala sena miso alingi abo manzoto mpona nga mwana moke. You know, we shall just watch with our eyes, but this man is prepared to die for me. Huh? Ngai na memingabo. So for me, I'm the one that is facing all the problems. Yambala sima soki ngai na ke. And you know, the last time if I go, and na boy ndeko bomba sekele, I'm tired of hiding this secret. Motu na mutu na esika na everybody to be in their place. Everybody where they're supposed to be. I don't want them to disturb me, you know, to bring me trouble. You know, the last time if I go, I am refusing to keep secrets, you know, to keep these under wraps. Everybody should be in their place. I don't want them to disturb me. Yambala sima soki ngana ke. The last time if I go, I am refusing to keep secrets, to hide secrets. I do not want them to disturb me. The last time if I go, I am tired. I'm refusing to keep this as a secret. Everybody should stay in their place. Everybody should be where they are supposed to be. I don't want them to continue disturbing me. I refuse that. Oh. 7. Remember that if you've not subscribed to my channel, do so that you can continue getting updates and such videos as soon as I put them online. Thank you. So it says the same thing for the last time. If I leave, I don't want people to disturb me. I'm refusing to keep a secret. And everybody should be in their place. Thank you.